Every day, hundreds of students come to Orest's and Diana's lectures to listen about things like automotive manufacturing and chemical engineering. The two Ukrainian teachers will stay in Turkey for 2 weeks as part of the Mevlana program, which gives them the opportunity to learn about the local education system while sharing their knowledge with Turkish students.
Наша програма включає частину.
Our program is part lectures, part practical classes, as well as an introduction to the university and its different departments.
Ми побачили, як дбає уряд, як дбає ректор.
We saw how the government and the rector take care of the teaching staff, how laboratories are set up, saw the lecture rooms and the conditions in which the studies take place. This is an important experience for us. We want to continue our cooperation with this university. It's of a very high level.
The Karabuk University is only 12 years old. The rector says the establishment is interested in cooperation with universities from all around the world, with Ukrainian ones being the priority.
We know that Ukraine occupies leading positions when it comes to science. Scientific papers written in Ukrainian universities are on a very high level. This is why we sought partnerships in Ukraine and began organizing programs for students and teachers.
The Turkish side covers travel expenses and provides monthly scholarship. The Mevlana program already involves teachers from Lviv, Kharkiv, Ivano-Frankivsk and Kiev universities. Reported by Anjela Leshko and Ediye Kataman, UATV.